All right, we're going live again. I just got paid 4 grand. Let's see if we can do some more damage. Okay, deuces again. Give them to me, baby. All right. Nines. Believe me, life's been pretty good, so straight. Eights. Okay. Tenors. Tenors from Vienna. All right. Okay. King Queen. Down to 200. All right. Got a couple kings, so they'll keep the. Ooh, one more would have been nice. All right. We got a king and a jack. Another straight. Nice. Jackie. McSmacky. Okay, what else we got? Niners. 49ers. Alright. Deuce. Tenors. 3 of them. You get 4, you're gonna get paid. Alright, here we're just gonna keep the ace. And I'm gonna keep these 2 guys. Whoa. Bop, 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 bop. Queen of Hearts would have been $20,000. Son of a gun. Okay, now we're going for 7s. Give me another 7 and I'll be happy. I'll take a full house. That's pretty good. All right, 6s. Couple 7s. The acer from the caser, almost spades. All right, another queen. Will it finally calm down? Well, we're gonna go for 10s. Kinger. Hearts. Just missed. Okay, king. Couple 5s. All right, 6s. 3 of them. 4 is even better. Remember, quad's good. All right. Nothing. Let's do 1 ace. Those 2 guys. All right, coming down to the end of it. Couple of guys right there. All right, what else you got? Nope, couple queens. Couple 6s. Douche. Niner. 49er. Oh, 3. 4's better. Okay, a couple queens, couple more. Oh, man. Let's go for this straight. Not this time. Couple jackies. McSmacky. Oh, that's nice. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, we're just gonna go easy. Okay, I'm gonna go these 2, 3. I'm gonna go all 3. Probably not the best play, but I did it. What am I gonna do about it? I'm gonna go all hearts. Okay, here. These 2 guys. A straight. Just keep it. I'm gonna go these 2. Oh, sorry, didn't see those 2. 8s. I'm looking through the phone, so I can't see it that well. So, AC, McSmacy. Okay, these 2, because they're suited. And then these 2, because they're suited. me the big babu. Oh, let's just go all suited. Got the king. Speaking of kings, there's another one. Okay, Trey, Zombres. All right. Oh, aces. You know, aces are good. Okay, we're gonna go fours. See, some people would hold the hearts, but every time I hold hearts like that, the 4 comes up. See? It just came up. Oh, 9. Give me another 9, it'll be another hand pay. Niner. No, not from Carolina. Schmixy. Queenies. Nice. I'm hurting myself doing this. Okay, queens again. Aces are nice. Give me 2 more. Okay, just the queen. Yeah, here, just an ace. King, queen. Couple aces. 2 more would be sweet. Little baby babu. All right, these 2 guys. Sixy, schmixy. Queens again. They're nice. All right, we're gonna go ace, king, queen, jack. Latin. There's the ace here. Couple deuce. Oh man, right there would have been $20,000. That's the things that happen. All right, here's these 2. All right, AC, schmacy. You still got 1 more pull. That's what she said. Okay, king, and that's it. Hey, that was fun. Have a good night tonight. Peace.
Live life 365